What's going on, guys? Breakhaven here, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2. Now, I'm sure you can find way better unboxing videos than this one, but this is my first time actually doing an unboxing for a product, and this will be the first time where I actually do a full-on review of, a specific product. Not in this video, but I'll have some future videos just to kind of, put this DJI Pocket 2 to the test. So yeah, let's just get started. As you can see, I've already tried to take some of the plastic off because I'm holding the camera in one hand. I didn't want to struggle too much. So let's just go ahead and take this plastic off. Okay. So very small box, very neat, very tidy. Let's go ahead and open it up. See how this goes. I may have to actually put this down. Yeah, I'll go ahead and put this camera down so I can figure out how to get this box open. Oh, there it is. So as I open this box, you have the little DJI Pocket 2. By the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video. I actually went out and purchased this from Best Buy. So when you get this, it comes with the Pocket 2, obviously. I'm sure there's some cables in here. Probably just a pamphlet, but let's be honest, nobody reads the manual, so no one reads the manual. So I'm gonna sit this down so I can go ahead and open this up. So I guess this is like the case, maybe even the charging case. Something just slipped. What's that? I don't know yet, but I'll figure it out. Maybe that's where the SD card goes. So yeah, let me see if I can get this thing out of here. Okay, yeah, so that actually was the case, obviously, and this is the DJI Ronin 2. It's very small, but it's a pocket camera, and that's what it's for. You can see the top of it, the gimbal, the built-in gimbal, and I'm gonna sit this back down so I can, pull some tags off because there's this yellow tag that I have to take off. So let me go ahead and take that off really fast. Okay. Sorry for the lighting, guys, by the way. I don't have any lighting in here, but shout out to the Sony a7R III for being good in low light. So, okay, so let's see. So I just hit this button right here. Sorry. I just hit this button on the side and it automatically cut on and everything. So there's the light indicating that it's on. I'm gonna pull some more. Oh, it just moved. That's creepy. But it's a gimbal. So I'm gonna pull these things off, and obviously I don't have an SD card in it just yet, but actually the spot that I originally thought was the spot, it actually was not the spot. The SD slot is literally directly on the side. What you do is you just hold it, basically the little metal parts that you see on the back of the SD card, you have it facing you, you just slide it directly in there, and that's where it goes. So it says on the on this little sticker, it says, you guys can't see it, but what it says is that when using for the first time, follow the steps in the DJI Mimo app. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just agreeing to everything because, I mean, what choice do you really have? Okay, so I downloaded the app. I'm in. It says tap here to connect to device. Right now it's searching for the device is not found. Right here it says it's giving me the preference of English, so I speak English, so I guess I'm gonna hit this button. If you guys can see that there's a button here, I'm gonna just hit that. That is not the button. Okay. Oh, it's touchscreen. Didn't know that. It says DJ Pocket not activated. Connect to phone and activate with DJI Momo. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna do what's called a wired connection. It says install the smartphone adapter, then connect a smart empower on the device. So yeah, I'm gonna open up this because this has all of the necessary essential things like the charger and whatnot. So I'm gonna open these. I'm gonna figure out a way to do a powered connection. So okay, so inside of this of the DJI Ronin, I'm gonna cut the brightness up a little bit. It comes with this piece. I have an Android, so it has the Android piece, but it also has one for iPhone as well. But what you do is you just take that front piece off, that I originally thought where the SD card went. You just take that off and you slide this on. I just heard it snap, so that means that it's on, and I'm going to connect it directly to my phone. So let's see. Okay, directly to the bottom of the phone. There we go. So yeah, it fits directly onto the bottom of my phone. So let's see. I think I need a wider angle lens, but this one is. So anyway, wired connection. If I can go back, Pocket series. Oh, I gotta cut it on. I don't have it on. And it's now on. This pops up on the screen. You guys probably can't see that, so let me go ahead and brighten my screen down so you can see it. Oh, you can also charge. You can also charge the camera to your phone if you need it to. So I'm gonna hit OK. It says allow DJ Momo to access Osmo Pocket always, of course. Agree. And I'm gonna hit next. Not authorized to access DJI device. You have not authorized DJI to access your device information. So I'm just gonna enable that. I'm gonna hit next. Log in. I didn't make a login account, so I guess I should register. So guys, I registered and logged in. I'm gonna skip a lot of this unnecessary stuff. It says go to questionnaire. I don't want to do a questionnaire, so I'm just gonna X out. Hopefully it doesn't X me all the way out. So my activation was successful. Notice for beginners, that's me. So they're just gonna also tell you everything that I just said. The micro SD card, where it goes, where it should be facing, the on button. We're gonna toggle through that button as well. That's the record button. Adjust the gimbal tilt manually or use the virtual joystick on the touch screen. Okay. Swipe the touchscreen to access more features. For better audio quality, do not block the microphone when recording video. Okay. The detachable base can be removed by pulling down as shown. Okay, so you guys are going to see these things whenever you purchase this. I'm just going to skip a lot of this stuff. And it's also doing a firmware update. That sounds fun. Download successful. Okay. So guys, the firmware update is complete, and because it's still connected to my phone, it automatically shows what the camera is showing on your screen. So I think that's cool, but I'm going to detach this for now because I just kind of want to focus on, the buttons really fast and get you guys on your way. So yeah, we are now detached from the camera itself, and I just kind of want to show you a few of the buttons. So I'm going to actually get in front of my window so you can see the two buttons better. So you have the record button and you have this button here. If you double tap it, it recenters the camera. At the top you can see it says recenter. If you tap it once, it goes to photo. You tap it another time, it goes to video. If you hit the screen, hit the screen. You can change the resolution. So you have 1080p at 30 frames, you have 2.7K at 30 frames, and obviously you can go up and down 25 frames, 24 frames, which is going to give you that cinematic look. So when you get to 4K, you can go all the way up to 60 frames. So that's pretty cool. So I can shoot 4K at 24 frames, I can shoot 4K up to 60 frames. So pretty cool. 2.7K up to 60 frames. And as far as 1080p goes, also 60 frames. I actually thought that you could go up further with 1080p, and maybe you can, but I guess I gotta just figure it out. But so guys, this is the DJI Ronin 2. I said Ronin, that's the gimbal. This is the DJI Pocket 2. And I'm gonna go back to my original spot. So as you can see, it's very smooth. Looks smooth, feels smooth. If I want to recenter, I just double tap that button and boom, it recenters it. So this is going to come in handy for me, guys, because you know, I just need something that I can just, you know, pull out quick and easy, say what I gotta say, and keep it moving. So yeah, guys, it's very smooth. I'm just gonna chaotica eyeball my little mini studio, guys. So, and also, guys, if you like the instrumental that you hear, that's actually an instrumental that I created. So if any of you guys need instrumentals for your YouTube channel or things like that, then be sure to hit me up, guys. But thanks again, and I'll see you guys soon. Unboxing.